Welcome back to MadMoneyMax. Today, I'm going to tell you a trick to make up to $1,000 a week effortlessly with CPA apps. In the context of digital marketing, the term CPA stands for cost per acquisition, or cost per action. This cost is related to a company's ability to convert ads. More specifically, it's a price a company pays when an ad leads to the completion of a transaction. With cost per action, the company is responsible for paying the price when a customer takes an action as a direct result of the ad. First, go to the AFF Plus website, where you can search for thousands of products to market. On the homepage, you'll see the top products to promote that offer people the best value and commission rates. You can try to apply for these products if they fit your chosen niche. If you scroll down the homepage, you can check out the latest products that are up for grabs. It's good to choose products from this category because they're still relatively new to the affiliate market, which means few people have laid their hands on this category. There's not much competition here yet, and the chances of you getting approved to market these products are higher. But if none of these products fit your niche, try searching for them in the search box. For example, if we enter food here, we'll see a list of all available partner products related to food. If I select this product, Smart Cover Food Keeper, I can see the details on the next page, such as the payout. It's $31.50 per successful person you refer through your affiliate link. You can never go wrong with affiliate marketing when you can achieve so much. To take advantage of this offer, click Run This Offer and you'll be redirected to an external promotional website. In this example, Groom Media is the one offering Smart Cover Food Keeper. You just need to sign up on their site, and from there you can apply for the product. And once it's approved by the moderators, you'll receive your affiliate link through your account and email address. Now that you have your affiliate link, don't just post it anywhere on your social media pages, because some social media platforms are getting stricter about adding and using external links in public posts. Since we don't want our accounts and pages to be restricted or banned, we can create a so-called landing page. A landing page is basically the page your potential affiliate buyers see when they click on a link you promote. There are a lot of free landing page builders on the internet like BioLink or Linktree, but I'm going to use HeyLink for this video today. You can do this with any niche that you choose, and it'll only cost you 10 to 25 minutes of your time a day. Once you're on HeyLink, go to the Appearance tab, and from there, you can personalize your landing page URL. It's best to relate it to your niche, the name of your channel, or the product you want to market. Also, upload nice photos of your product in the Avatar and Title section. Usually, the advertising site where you get your affiliate products offers several sample photos of their products. In our case, we already got sample photos from Groom Media. Then you give your landing page a title. It can be the same as the URL you choose, or you can give it a new name. Next, you need to customize the background of your page. You can choose from the large selection of backgrounds at the bottom of the page, or simply choose a solid color to make it look more professional. While you're editing the content of your page, you can see the live appearance on the right side of your screen, or in the far right of the page you're on. Then add your affiliate links. To do this, scroll back up and go to the Links tab. Again, add one of your affiliate links and add some details by clicking on the little pencil icon on the right. Enter a new title and add a new image for each of your affiliate links. If you want to see what your landing page looks like now, just click on the URL of your page at the top of the HeyLink page, and it'll list your affiliate products and links that you added some time ago. To give your landing page the audience it needs, you should go to GrowthBeast. This is an app or browser extension that allows you to easily track your account's followers and unfollow your unfollowers to keep your followers and follower ratio in order. To use it, click the Download button at the top of the page. You'll then be redirected to the browser extension store. Click Install and refresh or restart your browser for it to take effect. After that, you need to create an Instagram account for which you want to use GrowthBeast. Create an Instagram page for your affiliate and grow it nicely. Give it a good professional username and add a description or bio of your offering. Upload a good photo that you can use as a profile photo by searching Google for relevant images. And finally, add a special URL to your profile, the URL of your landing page that you created earlier. Let your page grow naturally and post at least one post per day that includes details about your page and the products that you're promoting. This way, you'll give the impression of an active and serious account, so your future followers will trust the products you're marketing. Next, you need to use the Growth Beast. Once you're logged into your Instagram page in your browser, you can click on the Growth Beast icon or simply go to the website and sign into your Instagram account there. Once you're in the app, go to the Follow tab. The app automatically follows other accounts that are related to your account, and you can sort those accounts by various criteria, such as the highest number of followers, the highest follower rate, the highest number of followers, and more. Don't forget that the free trial version of this app limits you to 50 actions per day for 3 days. After that, you can purchase a monthly plan for just $5, which will give you unlimited actions per day. After you set your criteria, click on Search Targets, and it'll list all available accounts related to your account. You can further filter these accounts by selecting only the relevant options in the filter section, which looks like a funnel icon. Don't forget to set the number of accounts you want to follow in this section by editing them in the upper part of the website interface. You can choose to follow only small accounts like yours, or those with the highest popularity, or only public accounts. After you've selected all the options that you want, click Apply Filter, and it'll automatically follow the accounts that match your criteria. And that's it. You don't have to click follow every time. You can leave the app running in the background. In a day or two, you can watch those accounts follow you and your Instagram page grow. All you need to do is do this every day to increase the chances of getting followers interested in your niche. Then, create posts every day to build up your feed with reliable actions. You can use various free templates from Canva for your Instagram posts to make them more aesthetically pleasing to your audience, without having to spend too much time editing. This way, you can automatically apply CPA methods to earn extra money effortlessly. The only thing you need to do is to find profitable affiliate products from AFF Plus and add them to your landing page. Then, you can grow your Instagram page by regularly informing your followers about your latest affiliate products that they can try. You can try this method while using other ways to make money, such as by building a niche YouTube channel, like what I do here on my channel. And if you want to know how to grow your YouTube account in detail, check out MadMoneyMax's full YouTube course by clicking on the link here. I'll also add this link in the description below. My YouTube course contains all the information you need to build a YouTube account from scratch and grow it like a pro. It'll take you from 0 to 100% knowledge in no time. Now that you know how to use a new method to make extra money online, you should watch this video where I show you how to make $1,000 in a single week. Watch the video to get all the details. And if you've got any questions for me, don't be afraid to post them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as possible. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more content like it. Goodbye.